In this video, we're going to walk you through BioRender's AI tools that will help you generate icons that match your illustration style. Turning scientific ideas into visuals can be a slow process, and once figures exist, they can be difficult to update or adapt. Scientists spend hours rebuilding diagrams, editing icons, or fixing inconsistent images. BioRender's AI tools change that so you can spend even less time on figure making and more time on your research. These tools aim to accelerate every step of your figure-making workflow without sacrificing scientific accuracy. To get started, navigate to your canvas. Click the AI icon in the left toolbar. This opens up the AI panel, and you'll notice it's split into two main sections. At the top, you've got Make Your Own Icon, which is where you can apply AI-powered edits to icons and uploaded images on your canvas. And below that, you've got Generate a Figure, where you can create brand new figures from a text prompt. You don't need to have design skills or extra software to make straightforward modifications. Before we get into the tools, a quick note on uploading images. You've got two ways to get an image onto your canvas. You can paste or drag it directly into the canvas, or use the upload panel to bring it in from your desktop. The tools can still work with blurry or imperfect photos, but images with good contrast will give you a cleaner result. Store images outside of the canvas in this workspace and pull them in when you need them. It's a handy way to keep reference images nearby without cluttering your working canvas. Now let's dive into the AI tools. Apply BioRender Style is great when you're pulling in images from outside of BioRender, like an image from a paper or a photo of lab equipment. It's great for keeping every visual consistent and easy to interpret by aligning it to the BioRender visual style. Upload or paste your image onto the canvas, then click Apply BioRender Style. Images with no text labels and minimal backgrounds work best, but any image can be used. We know that photos are oftentimes your greatest proof, and they show exactly what you worked with in the lab, but the schematic version often does a better job of telling the story to your audience. Now you have both options on your canvas to easily maintain styles and consistency. Once the icon is generated, you can adjust the transparency and use Bring to Front to layer it with other elements in your figure. And if you want to keep making changes after that, use the Custom Edit tool to enter text prompt changes. Up next is Restyle Icon, an expanded styling tool that lets you transform a selected image into a range of visual styles, including textbook, pen and ink, watercolor, line art, colored pencil, pencil sketch, 3D style, and silhouette. To use it, first select an image on your canvas. Choose the style you want and decide whether to remove the background. Confirm with the arrow to run. From there, you always have the option to follow up with Custom Edit to refine details. The next tool is Remove Background. If you've ever had a figure with mismatched backgrounds, images that came from different sources, and look like they don't belong together, this tool takes care of it for you. It instantly removes the background, isolating the main subject of your image, leaving you with a clean, transparent background. To use this, select your uploaded image on the canvas, confirm with the arrow, and you're done. No prompt needed. All of the image editing tools in the Make Your Own Icon section give you the option to remove the background. If you're planning to chain a few edits together, like remove text, you don't need to run this separately at the end. Just choose this as an option in the first edit. Remove text is handy when you have an uploaded image that has labels or annotations you don't need. To use it, select your image on the canvas, then click Remove Text in the AI panel and confirm. The tool will strip out text labels, callouts, annotations, and the background. If you're working with text that is part of a BioRender figure you built yourself, use BioRender's native text tools to edit. One of the most powerful and popular tools in the AI panel is Custom Edit. We've mentioned it a few times now as it's the most versatile option. Custom Edit is what you'll reach for when nothing else quite covers what you need. It can be used alongside any of the other AI tools we've reviewed, and you can use it on any uploaded image or icon. To use it, select your uploaded image or BioRender icon on the canvas. Describe the change you want. You can go pretty specific here. Things like change the lid from open to closed. Click to generate and review the result. If you want to keep refining, just prompt and run it again. You can chain as many custom edit rounds as you need to get to your final result. If any of the other tools in this section gave you something unexpected, Custom Edit is your go-to fix. Now you have everything you need to build and edit your icons in one place. And beyond these tools, your data stays protected with the same security and privacy standards as everything else in BioRender. Anything you upload or create here is never used to train our AI models. Give these tools a try, and thanks for watching!